Hey everybody, time for a little demo. Uh, First, you're gonna need a rubber band. Look, rubber band, cut it so it's like this, and some paper clips. So go find those. If you don't have a rubber band and paper clips, maybe you have a long hair, you can use a hairband and some bobby pins or something that stretches and something to clip onto it. Go ahead, go find some. I'll wait. While we're waiting, did you know how the farmer found a wife? He tracked her down. Yeah. Okay, everybody got your rubber bands and paper clips? What you're gonna do is you put your clip on your rubber band. You'll want more than one. You'll want 4 or 5, so you get something that looks like this. This is going to be our model for the expansion of the universe. The rubber band is going to represent space and time. Right? We are talking about how the universe expands. We already know that gravity can cause space and time to bend, right? But now we're talking about the expansion of the universe. So that's our space-time. The paper clips are galaxies. Galaxies in space-time. What's going to happen when the universe expands? Ooh, those galaxies get farther apart, right? That's what we're talking about here. So this is our model. The expansion of the universe causes galaxies to get farther apart. Let's take this model just one step further and imagine that you live on this galaxy right here. Or as the picture in a textbook shows, imagine a little tiny ant living on top of that paperclip. So focus on that. Get your eyes right on that particular one. That's where you live. Now expand the universe. From your perspective, sitting on this paperclip, that one right there, what does it look like all the other paperclips do? It looks like all the other paperclips are moving away from you, right there. Well, what makes you so special? What if I were sitting on a paperclip over here? I'm in a totally different galaxy. What am I going to see? Focus your eye on that one. Expand the universe. Wait a minute. All the paperclips are moving away from me too. So it doesn't matter which galaxy you live on. You are always going to see all of the other galaxies moving away from you as the universe expands. This is just a way to think about the fact that the universe has no real center, as we're going to talk about the Big Bang, that it happened everywhere, not in one particular place. So keep this in mind as you're thinking about how the universe expands and how is it that we see all galaxies moving away from us, no matter where we are. Have a good one.